Hey guys, welcome back to yet another helpful video of One to Step, and in this video I am going to show you how to sell something on Pinterest. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to sell something into your Pinterest, you just simply have to open your Pinterest application at first, and after opening the Pinterest, just simply tap into this create button at the bottom and then select this pin or board option which you want, and then from there you just simply have to select the product that you want to sell. Then after that, enter the name of the product into your title and then describe about your product into your description section. Then most importantly, you have to put your product link for order into this link section here and then click to create button. And now you just simply have to promote or advertise your product into Pinterest. By following this very easy step, you can sell your products into Pinterest. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.